Harshal. In this video, we are going to talk about the searching and sorting technique in Java. So basically, why we need searching or sorting technique. So when you talk about searching, if you want to search some element in your array, or if you want to check that your some particular element is present in your array or not, then in that case you will use the searching techniques. So in Java, basically there are two searching techniques. One is your linear search. Second one is your binary search. Then when you talk about your sorting techniques, when you want to arrange your array in an ascending order, or when you want to arrange your array in a descending order, so in that particular cases you will use the sorting techniques. So in the Java there are many sorting techniques. We will see this video one by one. So let us discuss about your searching technique. So as we discussed, the first and basic your searching technique is your linear search. So if I want to check the element, so in this linear search I will go one by one. I will check at the first position if that particular element is present or not. Then I will check the second element, element in the array. It is if it is matches with my target element, then it will be stop. Otherwise, it will search for the third element. It will try to match with the third element. Then fourth and fifth, it will this process continue until your target element is founded in array, or your array got end. The last it will reach to the last element. So in that case, it will going to stop. In this way, you going to search your target element. Then we have a binary search. Binary search, for this particular search you need your array to be sorted. We'll see the sorted technique, how to sort it. So suppose if you have a sorted your binary array. So if you want to search for your element through a binary, so first you will divide all your your array. You will take first point and then you take the last point, which is the length of your array. You do both plus your start point plus your last point divided by 2. You will get the midpoint. So at this particular midpoint, you will check the element, if your element is present or not. If presented, then you will get your target element. Not, then we will check if it is the greater to that midpoint or less. If it is greater, then we will check the last part. So when you got that it is the higher side, so you will take your start point will be the midpoint and then your last point. If you divide that both by 2, you will get new midpoint. Then you will repeat the same process. You will check that new midpoint is your element or not. Then you will check it is in the higher side or left side. It is in the left side. Then you will divide that particular array and you get the new mid, and according to it going to search your element. And then finally you will get your, if it is the target element present, you will get your your target element. Or if it's not, it will show you it will tell you that the element is not present in the array. So this is all about your searching part. Then we will move forward about your sorting part. How you going to sort your arrays. So when you talk about the sorting technique, first and most basic technique is your bubble sort. Bubble sort is like a bubble. When it will get heavy, it will go to the downside. So in this particular array, we going to try to push or move your highest element at the last position. So basically, when you talk about, so you will take first element, then it get compared to second one, then it compared to third one, and then compared to fourth one. So in this way, it going to push your highest element at the last, then second highest to the second last, third to third, and in this way, it going to sort your elements. So this is the bubble sort. Then we will talk about another technique, which is your selection sort. Selection sort, in this sort we will select one minimum point. Suppose I have selected I0 index as my minimum point. So in this minimum point I will check the element, and in this way I will place the minimal element at the first position, then second minimum at the second position, and then third at third position. In this way it is going to sort your element by arranging minimum element at their proper places. So in this way we going to select, as we are selecting one point and then comparing from the array, that's why it is known as selection sorting. Then we have your merge sort. Merge sort is nothing but your divide and conquer strategy. It divides your array into the equal or equal parts, try to convert into the equal part, and then that parts of an array is going to sorted, and then once it is, the divided part is sorted, the array will be merged and you will get the sorted array. Then there is one more technique, which is your insertion sort. Insertion sort is nothing but your suppose you have played the cards, so you place the cards at the proper places according to their number. You place the card 1, 2, 3, 4. So you insert the your cards at the proper place. In the same way, you be using the insertion sort. We will insert the element at the correct place and arrange your array in a ascending order or descending order. This is all about your sorting and searching techniques in Java. Thank you.